They always notice when you finally go silent. Not when you beg, not when you chase, but the moment you withdraw, when you stop explaining, stop calling, stop trying to prove your worth, that's when the silence starts to burn them from the inside. You see, most men never expect a woman's silence to have power. They think emotional distance means indifference, that you've simply moved on. But real silence, the kind that comes after effort, after tears, after nights of trying to be understood, carries a weight that can't be ignored. It triggers something deep in a man's psychology, uncertainty. He starts to replay every moment, every message he ignored, every call he cut short, every time he thought you'd never actually walk away. Because deep down, men are wired to value what they believe they've lost, not what they can easily keep. Your silence shifts the power dynamic. Suddenly, he's no longer in control of the narrative. And this isn't manipulation, it's energy correction. When you stop contacting him, you're not punishing him, you're reclaiming what's yours, your attention, your peace, your self-respect. You remove the emotional fuel that kept his ego comfortable. That silence, it forces him to face himself. Men aren't used to emotional consequences. They're used to reactions, anger, sadness, pleading, because those give them reassurance that they still matter. But when you go quiet, when you genuinely detach, you remove the oxygen from the fire. Suddenly, he's left in the dark with his own thoughts, wondering why he feels this ache that wasn't there before. That ache is recognition. Recognition that he took something for granted. Recognition that maybe he wasn't as irreplaceable as he thought. And here's the truth no one tells you. Your silence teaches him more than your words ever could. Because silence speaks in a language the ego can't translate, but the soul understands instantly. It's the sound of consequences arriving without a single word spoken. Now he starts to remember and regret. Because the woman who stops chasing becomes the woman who suddenly looks like she never needed him at all. At first, he feels relief. That's the lie his ego tells him. He'll convince himself that your silence means freedom. No more texts, no more expectations, no more accountability. He tells himself he's fine. He might even smile. But that feeling is temporary. Because relief without closure is a seed that turns into obsession. In the early stage, his brain interprets your silence as space. He assumes you're waiting, testing him, or trying to make a point. So he stays still. He watches. But every day that goes by without your message, his confidence begins to slip. That's when confusion sets in. Men operate on predictability. When you were consistent, when you reached out, when you made him feel wanted, that pattern fed his ego. Now that the pattern is broken, his subconscious panics. It starts whispering questions he can't silence. Did she find someone else? Was I too distant? Did she really move on? That's when his mind begins to spiral. He replays every conversation, every last text. He checks your social media, not because he misses you, but because he's desperate to confirm he still matters. And when he can't find evidence that you care, that's when the unease becomes fear. This fear is primal. It's not about love, it's about loss of control. When a man loses emotional influence over a woman who once adored him, it shakes something deep inside his masculine identity. He starts questioning himself in ways he never did before. His thoughts become restless. Sleep becomes harder. You start to invade his mind in silence, like a ghost he can't shake off. Then comes the anger. He might blame you, call you cold, accuse you of being manipulative. But anger is just the mask men wear when they're hurting and confused. It's easier to be mad at you than to admit that your silence exposes his weakness, his dependence on your validation. And when that mask fades, the final stage begins: realization. He finally understands that he pushed too far, that your silence wasn't a game. It was the moment you chose peace over his chaos. By then, it's too late to reach you, because the silence that once scared him has now transformed you. You're calmer, stronger, unreachable. Something powerful happens the moment you stop chasing. Your energy shifts. And even though you're silent, he feels it, because energy doesn't need words. The moment you pull it back, the balance changes. You stop orbiting around him, and suddenly he's the one spinning in confusion. When you stop contacting him, Your silence sends a subconscious message. I'm no longer available for uncertainty. And that message cuts deeper than anything you could ever say. Because a man can tune out your voice, but he can't ignore the feeling of losing your energy. It's like a light going out in a room he didn't realize was keeping him warm. Your silence forces him to face something uncomfortable, that he was never in control. What he mistook for dominance was actually your willingness to give. He thought he held the power because you kept showing up, forgiving, explaining, caring. But when you stop, he realizes that your attention was the real prize all along. Men are instinctively drawn to challenge. When things feel too easy, they disengage. But when they sense emotional distance, when they feel uncertainty, they're wired to chase again. It's not logic, it's biology. The dopamine that once came from your attention now comes from trying to get it back. So he starts doing things he never did before. He lingers online where you might see him. He replies to old messages. He watches your stories, but never comments. He tests the waters, wondering if he still exists in your world. And when he gets no response, his curiosity grows into obsession. Meanwhile, your silence is doing something even more powerful. It's rebuilding you. You start remembering your own value, your own rhythm. The need for closure fades because you've already given it to yourself. You no longer seek answers, you become the answer. And that's when your power peaks, when you realize silence isn't emptiness, it's presence. It's self-worth spoken in the quietest, most unshakable tone. It's the difference between needing someone and choosing yourself. And the irony? The moment you stop caring whether he returns is usually the exact moment he does. But this time, you're not the same woman he left behind. You've evolved beyond the version of you he thought he could come back to. When he finally comes back, it won't be loud. It'll be subtle. A message that sounds casual, almost meaningless. Hey, how have you been? Or, I was just thinking about you. But beneath those simple words lies confusion, regret, and fear. Because now, he's testing the waters of a world where he no longer knows his place. See, your silence made him confront something he never expected, the possibility that he's no longer the center of your attention. That thought terrifies him, because men often mistake a woman's presence for permanence. He thought you'd always be there, waiting in the same emotional space he left you. But silence, real silence, moves you forward. It changes the frequency. You're no longer reaching out, no longer reacting, no longer predictable. So when he comes back, it's not because he suddenly became the man you needed. It's because your absence became louder than your presence ever was. It echoes in his thoughts. It gnaws at his ego. He starts romanticizing the moments he took for granted. He convinces himself that maybe it was just bad timing, or that you two still have a connection. But what he's really feeling is consequence. And here's where your power truly unfolds. You don't rush to answer. You don't fall back into old patterns. You pause, because you've learned the difference between missing someone and missing the version of yourself who tolerated less. If you do respond, your energy feels different, calm, grounded, detached. He feels that shift instantly. It's unsettling for him because it's proof that you're no longer emotionally accessible. You're not angry, you're just done. That's what scares him most. He might try harder, sweet words, promises, even guilt. But what he's chasing now isn't love, it's validation. He wants to know that he still has a hold on you. When he realizes he doesn't, that's when the silence hits him, the very silence he once ignored. And now, the dynamic reverses. You've become the calm in his chaos, the one who doesn't need to prove anything. Your peace becomes magnetic, and your silence becomes his lesson. Detachment changes everything, not just the way he sees you, but the way you see yourself. Because once you stop reaching out, once you stop begging to be understood, you start seeing things with clarity instead of emotion. You begin to realize how much energy you gave away trying to be chosen, when all along the real choice was yours. There's a moment, quiet, almost sacred, when you wake up one day and his absence doesn't sting anymore. The silence that used to hurt now feels like peace. You stop checking your phone, stop wondering what he's doing, stop replaying memories like old songs. The urge to fix things fades, replaced by something stronger. Self-respect. That's the real power of silence. It's not about making him miss you. It's about healing the part of you that believed you needed his validation to feel worthy. You begin to rebuild yourself piece by piece, not as the woman who waited, but as the woman who walked away and never looked back. And men feel that energy. They can sense when you're no longer attached to the outcome, when your silence is not a tactic, but a truth, when your heart has moved from wanting them to understanding you don't need them. That shift is magnetic. It's what makes them wonder how you suddenly seem lighter, calmer, untouchable. He'll notice your smile looks different now, not forced, not performative. Your eyes don't search for him anymore. You're not performing strength, you've become it. And ironically, that's the moment men realize what they lost. Because you've transformed from someone who gave endlessly to someone who simply is. This transformation doesn't just change relationships, it changes your life. You attract differently, you speak differently, you hold boundaries without fear of loss. Because silence taught you something no heartbreak ever could, that peace is the highest form of power. You'll look back one day and realize, he didn't lose you because you stopped trying. He lost you because you finally remembered who you were before you forgot yourself for him. And that realization, that unshakable self-awareness, is what no man can ever take away again. Here's the truth most men never recover from. It's not losing you that haunts them, it's realizing you found peace without them. When you stop contacting a man, when you stop explaining, chasing, and waiting, you trigger a silence that reveals who truly had the power all along. And it wasn't him. He'll remember you in the quiet moments, when life slows down, when he scrolls through his phone and sees your name he once ignored. He'll remember how easy it was to take you for granted, and how impossible it's been to replace the energy you carried. Because deep down, he knows you didn't leave to punish him. You left because you finally loved yourself more than the potential of what you thought he could be. Silence is the moment the story rewrites itself. It's where you stop being the one waiting for a message and become the one he's afraid to message at all. It's where he realizes that the version of you who needed him no longer exists. You've evolved. You've become a mirror, one that reflects his mistakes, his fears, his missed chances. And he'll spend months, maybe years, trying to find another woman who gives what you once gave effortlessly. But he won't, because what he lost wasn't attention, it was depth. And that's what your silence teaches, that a woman who values her peace can't be manipulated, and a man who loses her can't ever truly forget her. You become the quiet reminder that not every woman is waiting to be rescued. Some women rescue themselves and never look back. So if you've gone silent, stay silent. If you've walked away, don't turn around. Your power is not in proving your worth, it's in living it. Because when a man realizes he can no longer reach you emotionally, that's when he finally sees your true value. But by then, you'll already be free. Now I want to ask you something. Have you ever gone silent on someone and they suddenly came back, acting like they finally saw your worth? Tell me your story in the comments. I read everyone.